This is Brain Mapping by Alex Elmore and Whitney Harrison.
Alex, so I heard some stuff about brain mapping. What is it about exactly?
Yeah, you're correct. It's this new system where we get all the parts of the brain, they're in quadrants, we put them together as a 3D image, and basically do functions and systems of the brain. It's founded by Obama. We got $100 million for it.
Awesome. So how did you get the images for it?
We use a system of MRIs, and again, we get 4 quadrants of the brain, create a 3D image with neuroimaging, and then add this new chemical product called Clarity, which brings out red and green fluorescent colors of brain activity.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, I read in an article that the human brain is a knot of 100 billion neurons and support cells.
Yeah, you're right. In brain mapping, we take our pictures from the outside in and examining how the brain changes physically throughout the learning and aging process.
Wow, I had no idea. Can you tell me more about the structures and functions of the brain?
The cerebral cortex consists of 4 lobes. We have the frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, and the parietal lobe.
What are the functions of the frontal lobe?
The frontal lobe is associated with speech, movement, emotions, and problem solving.
What does the parietal lobe do?
The parietal lobe is associated with movement, orientation, and perception of stimuli.
How about the occipital lobe?
The occipital lobe is interesting. It helps with just visual processing.
Awesome. What is the function of the temporal lobe?
Perception and memory, speech, things like that.
Interesting. So have you covered the 4 lobes, Alex?
Yeah, we have.
What other parts of the brain are there?
One of the more important parts is the medulla oblongata. It controls breathing, digestion, swallowing, and heart and blood functions.
What about the spinal cord? What does that do?
Well, the spinal cord conjoins mainly all of the nerves in your body from head to toe and brings them all up to your brain.
How about how we move? Like, what controls that?
That would be the 2 cortex parts of your brain. We have the motor cortex and the sensory cortex.
Oh. What structure controls coordination?
The cerebellum mostly controls muscle contraction and coordination, so that helps us move.
What do the pons in the brain do?
They transfer messages throughout the brain and the body.
Awesome. Like, can I see a picture to visualize the structures and the functions?
You mean like the whole brain?
Yeah.
Sure. In this part of the video, I'll be showing you the functions of the brain and the certain parts. The red font is the function, and the black font is the part. We can pause it if you like.
Thank you so much for helping me, Alex.
Yeah, no problem. I hope that picture that I gave you helps out. Maybe you can use it in biology.
Thanks.
Okay guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.